Let's create stickers in WhatsApp. Go ahead and launch WhatsApp and go to a conversation. Now at this bottom here, just tap on this emoji icon next to message, and here you have to select sticker. Just tap on sticker icon, and here tap on create to create a new sticker. And now you can upload a photo from your gallery to make a sticker. So let's select this photo for example. And once the photo successfully uploaded, here it's time to customize this photo. So tap on this text icon, and here if you want you can add some extra text to your sticker. You can change text position. To add any sticker here, tap here, and you can go ahead and add a sticker or emoji to your new sticker, just like so. So go ahead and edit your sticker, then tap on send, and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully created my own custom sticker. And now on to send this sticker to someone, just go to the chat, tap on message, emoji, select sticker, and here you'll find all of your created sticker. Thanks for watching.